Jones Act is an extremely valuable tool for people who are injured on the water. Basic specialty in how we originated and how we came forward was to handle accidents on the water. So if you are working on a boat, on a barge, or you're working offshore on a platform that may or may not be portable or movable, or you're going overseas and you're hurt off the coast, west coast of Africa, anything else, anything that happens on the water, the rivers and streams of the states, everything like that is part of the Jones Act if you are in fact working aboard that vessel. Whether you're on a cruise ship and you're cutting somebody's hair on a vacation, or whether you're throwing a line to catch a tug and a tow together, it's all part of how you are under what is called the Jones Act. I think it's important to note that when you are under the Jones Act, in other words, you are considered a seaman, you have certain advantages that will help protect you in 2 or 3 ways. You first have an opportunity to claim what is called maintenance and cure. Maintenance and cure, maintenance means a small portion of what it would take to keep you on board the ship, $40, $50 a day, something like that. They should be paying that almost immediately when you're injured. Cure is the fact that they should pay all of the medical bills going forward. So maintenance and cure is one aspect of it. The other aspect of it is that when you have an injury, then you are able to get the pain and suffering in addition to all of the other problems, the wage loss, everything else that goes with that. Where in a shore-based accident, if you're working for a company, the workman's compensation scheme of all states is basically not allowing you to have any of that suffering and damage, the real damages that go for it. An injury on the job with an employer where you are working on a boat is going to give you a phenomenal advantage where you will be able to have something closer to a full and fair compensation for the injury you suffered.